let's start showing our live system that we created to our players. This is going to be nice and basic, pretty much how we've done it in our previous game. My code is just compiling here for some reason. There we go. Now we'll zoom out. We're going to zoom out to our full canvas size. I'm going to add a bit of text to our canvas. So we're going to say UI text. I'm going to make this white so we can see it. A little bit bigger. And we're going to make it say lives space X, however many lives we have. Actually, make that capital letters like that. And then we're going to move this up into the top corner here. If we switch to our game view, we can see how it will actually look in the game. We're going to create another bit of text that we're going to put on the other side over here. And this one will be aligned to the right. And this one is going to say XXX space score. So this will be whatever high score our players can get. Or not high score, but just the basic score our players can get as they play through the game. So first of all, we're going to make sure that our lives are being displayed on the screen possibly, or properly even. So we're going to save this scene, just in case we make any weird changes. We're going to go into our game manager. We'll obviously need a reference to our bit of lives text now. So we'll say public text. Oh, we can't do text yet because of course we need to include the Unity Engine UI. So using Unity Engine.UI. Now we can say public text. We'll say lives text for this one. So what do we want our lives text to say? Well, as soon as the game starts, we want our lives text to say, hey, lives text should be lives colon space, and then we add on whatever our current player lives are. So player lives. We want to reuse this same bit of a line down below at the bottom. So when our player is being killed, we take away a life, and then we say, oh, that's how many lives we have left. When our player gets killed, we're going to change it so that it says all lives lost, just like we did on our previous project. All lives lost, like that. We save. So let's go and make sure that this is working in the game, just the way we want it to. Oh, we got a bit of an error. I was looking away for a second. Game manager on line 37. What have we got? Lives text. Oh, that should be lives text dot text, of course. So we need to do the same down the bottom. It should be lives text dot text here and lives text dot text there. Okay, now we should be okay. So we'll go back in and we'll make sure we hook up our bit of lives text into our game manager, which is here. We got our space, so we'll just click and drop that in there like that. Let's play our game and make sure that's working. We'll start off with 0 lives, just the way we wanted to, and then if we die, all lives. Oh, we need some more space to say all lives lost, so let's actually stretch out that text box then. We're just going to click and drag that out. Now we should be able to see all of that text when we get killed. We could of course just make our font smaller, but that's okay. There we go. All lives lost, game over. Perfect. So that's working fine. We've got our score bit of text up here, but we haven't got a score system in place yet. So let's go ahead and add that into our game manager.
Konnichiwa.